What's up, guys? My name is Miles.
And my name is Fez.
And this is The Commodity. And today we are reacting to Batu Caves, Colorful Makeover by Skyrun.
So before we jump into this, I want to say, Skyrun, I promise you, we're not just trying to steal all your content.
These are all requested videos.
You are just talented at what you do. If you don't want us to do them, let us know. We'll stop reacting to your stuff. However, stop being so good at what you do.
Yes.
If you were bad at it, trust me, there's a lot of drone videos out there, and we ain't reacting to any of them because they are not good.
But yeah, no, this video was actually requested to us in our Indonesian military video in the comments. Yeah, so that's why we're reacting to this. Speaking of Skyrun, I'm throwing his link right here. I'm also throwing it down in the description below. If you guys aren't already, go ahead and follow him. Also, down in the description below, there's going to be a link to our Discord. If you want to go ahead and click on that and join our Discord, you can recommend videos like this, as well as just chat with us, stop by and say hi. There's also a link to join our YouTube membership program. We'd love to have you in there. You'd get exclusive vlog content, behind-the-scenes content, as well as early releases like this.
And if you don't go and subscribe to Skyrun, I have a special set of skills.
I will find you.
No, I won't.
Neither of us are.
But I will try
That's why we're
to find
YouTube
you, because I know where Malaysia's at on the map now.
We do,
and I know how to use a credit card.
And we're about to find out.
So I can find out at least how to get to Malaysia from there. Maybe not so much.
Yeah. All right, guys. This is let us know how to pronounce this. Is it Batu,
or Batu,
or Batu,
or? That's all I got.
Yeah.
That's new. Or old. Even that was great.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I was like, what are you talking? Skyrun.
If you're not subscribed, that's how his videos start.
Typically, that was the first time. I don't know if this is an older video. 2021 now.
That's beautiful.
We've seen that one several times.
Yeah, so this is the kind of place that we agreed, like, even though it's touristy, this is somewhere you have to go.
Yeah. And it's a place of worship, too.
Yeah.
So it's kind of might not be so much touristy, but people going to go pray and show their respects. Look at their outfit. That's so awesome.
Yeah.
They're so happy.
How could you not be happy at a place like this?
I know. Look at those colors
and
I love
architecture. I mean, if you're not smiling when you go to this place, there's something wrong with you.
Could you imagine back in the day if they were to ever have made this? It'd be made out of pure gold.
Yeah. Yeah, that's so beautiful.
And when I say back in the day, I'm talking hundreds of years ago, when gold was much more used for that kind of thing. Girl, be more confident. Take that hand out. You got this.
I'd fall down with the bucket if I took my
Even
hand
if I was holding it, I would have already given up.
Yeah.
That's a lot of stairs.
So beautiful.
Somebody would have to carry me.
I don't think anybody could do that.
I don't think so.
Successfully all the way up those stairs. So it's got like a gift shop and stuff.
Yeah. You got to capitalize on what you got. Peacock. Those are male peacock, by the way.
That's so gorgeous.
Have you ever seen a female peacock?
they're not like that.
No, they're ugly. They're brown.
Yeah.
They're like, yeah.
The complete opposite of human.
Exactly. Exactly.
Because females, you're all beautiful.
Oh.
This is awesome.
It is.
Yeah, this is definitely somewhere that, I mean, I feel like anybody would have to go to if they visit Malaysia.
Oh, yeah. This is near KL, right?
That doesn't look fun.
No, that looks awful. Talk about neck muscle. Yeah, this is right next to KL.
Is it?
Yeah. Because these, remember when we were like, oh, check out the big rock?
Yeah.
That's this. I assume. I could be totally wrong.
This is on the other side of Penang.
Yeah.
That's all I'd be doing in a place like this, is just smiling and trying to take it all in.
So I'm kind of curious, is he holding a different type of camera, or is he using his... Because I've seen people actually hold their drone to use it to get type of footage like this.
I don't know. Skyrun videographer, are you using a camera or a drone with this?
And we need
Handheld.
to know your name.
Yes, please tell us your name. So we can stop
What
calling you
is that?
Skyrun.
I saw a reflection of a phone.
Kind of looks like a drone.
I don't know what that is. It's a reflection of something. Looks like an old school touch tone phone.
Yeah. Yeah, and that was going to be the next thing I say is, let us know your name.
Yeah. Because I hate saying the Skyrun, dude.
So mysterious.
Look at how beautiful the stairs are.
I know. I'm fixated on this statue.
Yeah.
And it's like it's just in the middle of... It's like perfectly placed there.
Yeah. It's like they thought about it.
Yeah. Right.
I know there's no monetary matter behind it. However, I'm kind of curious how much something like that would cost to build.
Oh, probably stupid expensive.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Yeah, that's crazy beautiful. I mean, that just like...
Warms the heart.
That's exactly what I was about to say.
Yeah,
like it makes you feel good inside.
It has... I mean, the whole entire thing is religion-based, but you could get the most hateful person there, and their attitude would be
right.
completely different.
Yeah. I mean, no matter what religion you are, in places like that, I mean, the spiritual meaning behind places like that just rubs off on you.
Yeah.
Whether you're, I mean, it doesn't matter what religion. The spiritual feeling you get in places like that, and obviously just watching video of places like that, it just makes you feel good.
Yeah, I mean, whether you're Muslim or Hindi or Christian or whatever, you probably feel at home there.
Yeah.
Because it's I don't know, it's just, even just watching the video, you
just feel love.
Yeah, you just feel like there's no hate.
Yeah.
It takes away all the hate in your heart, because we all have it.
It's like a small child.
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what it is. I absolutely love it. If you got more videos regarding anything like this, I absolutely love seeing religious places, locations, buildings, those kind of things. There's something to it architecturally and just pure and spiritual parts of it, you know, just being one with who you are and who you believe in.
Yeah.
It's just absolutely amazing. So with that being said,
my name's Miles.
And my name is Fetz.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace.
Out.